Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Stop memorizing thousands of grammar rules. Stop learning random vocabulary in every single day. Because the real reason you still can't speak fluent English is that you are not training your speaking correctly. And in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful technique that can completely change your English speaking, the shadowing technique. This is one of the most effective method used by language learners around the world to sound more fluent, natural and confident in English. And the best part, you don't need perfect grammar to start. So in this video, we will learn what shadowing is, why it works so fast, how to practice it step by step, and the common mistake beginner make, and how you can improve your English within just few weeks. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now first of all, what is shadowing? Shadowing is listening to a fluent English speaker and then repeat immediately after them. Like a shadow follows a person. You copy everything: pronunciation, tone, speed, expression, and even the emotions in their voice. Okay? For example, if the speaker say, "Are you ready?" you instantly repeat, "Are you ready?" Not in your style, in their style. And this simple habit can completely transform your spoken English. Now you may ask why shadowing is so powerful. Because most students learn English passively. They learn grammar, they memorize vocabulary, they watch YouTube videos, and rarely they train their mouth to actually speak English naturally. But when it's time to speak, their mind goes blank. Is this happen to you too? Then don't worry, you are not alone. Shadowing helps you think less and speak more clearly and naturally. It trains your brain, mouth and ear together, and slowly English stop feeling like a subject and start becoming a language you can actually use. Think about babies. How do they learn language? They listen, they copy, they repeat again and again. Shadowing works in the exact same way. Now let's learn how to do shadowing step by step. Step number 1, choose a right audio. Just pick a short English video. It can be a TED Talks, a podcast, an interview, a movie clip, or even a YouTube video. But if you are a beginner, choose something slow and clear. Personally, I recommend you TED Talks because the pronunciation is clear and easy to understand. Step 2, listen carefully. Okay, play 1 or 2 minutes first. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on pronunciation, tone, speed, pauses, and the speaking style. Step number 3, pause and repeat. Now pause after every sentences and repeat exactly like the speaker. Copy their rhythm, copy their emotion, copy their energy. At first you may feel awkward, but that is completely normal because your brain is learning a new speaking pattern. Now here is a quick challenge for you. Pause this video right now and repeat this sentence after me. Success doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice. Success doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice. Try again, this time with more confidence. See, that's shadowing. Step 5, repeat daily. Okay, even 10 minutes of shadowing every day can make a huge difference. Consistency is the real secret to success. Now let me tell you some mistakes you should avoid. Okay, don't speak too fast. Don't focus on perfection. Don't translate every sentence into a native language, and don't quit after just 2 or 3 days. Remember, fluency built through repetition. And here is one more tip. Record your voice while shadowing and then compare it with the original speaker. It can help you to find pronunciation mistake and improve much faster. Now imagine if you practice shadowing every day for next 30 days, your pronunciation will be clear, your confidence will increase, and speaking English will start feeling natural. That's the power of shadowing. Now I have a challenge for you. Do shadowing for just 10 minutes every day for the next 7 days and come back to this video and tell me your experience in the comment. Now if this video helped you, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.